front of me is Huawei Pura 70 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down to access biometrics and password. Then click on lock screen password and tap on change password type to select a perfect one for you. 4-digit PIN, custom PIN, pattern or alphanumeric password. Wherever you decided, when you're ready, create it and repeat it to confirm it. Then hit done at the bottom right corner. Now you can add a fingerprint by hitting add in the pop-up and following all of the instructions on your screen. If you don't want to do it now, select cancel. So when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!